If you need to download an invoice from Namecheap, this quick tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. Whether you need the invoice for accounting, business records, reimbursement, or tax purposes, Namecheap makes it pretty simple once you know where to look. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to Namecheap. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account, especially if you manage more than one domain or hosting account. Once you're on the Namecheap dashboard, scroll down and look for your profile area. This is where you'll find your account and billing options. Next, click on Billing. This takes you to the billing section of your Namecheap account, where you can manage orders, invoices, and payment history. From here, look for the Orders section and click View All next to it. This will show you a full list of your past purchases and transactions. Now, you may want to narrow things down, so click the Date drop-down and select the time range you want. This is helpful if you're looking for a specific invoice from a certain month or year. After choosing the date range, click Apply. Namecheap will refresh the list and show only the orders that match your selected period. Once the right order appears, click Details. This opens the full order information where you can review the purchase and locate the invoice option. On the Order Details page, click Download. That's the button you need to get your invoice file onto your computer. Depending on your browser settings, the invoice may download automatically as a PDF or open in a new tab for you to save manually. And that's it. You've now downloaded your Namecheap invoice successfully. If you needed this for records or expense tracking, you should now have everything you need in just a few clicks. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.